Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a good PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing to do is to create a new PowerPoint presentation. Come to new, so I'm going to choose a topic that I'm going to use, and let me use computer as my topic. So the first thing to do here, obviously, like I showed you in the first video, the previous video, you have to add new slides according to the number of slides that you want to use. So this is the first slide, and this first slide will have my topic, which is computer. Then presented by computer by Frank Opio. And then you can choose to add your email address or your contact. Yeah, so you just do what you want. You can add your email or your contact. So I'm going to add a new slide, and this slide will have the outline, basically what the presentation will be about. So the outline will have introduction, then it will have types of computers, then characteristics, then to have let me say introduction, type of computers, characteristics, maybe disadvantages or limitations. Because most of the characteristics are actually the advantages of computers, so I'm going to just go to the disadvantages of computers. And these will be, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be 4 slides plus the first one, those are 5 slides. So let me go straight to the first slide, which will be the introduction. I'm going to add a new slide, and that will be the introduction. So you must ensure that your things are brief, your definitions and your explanations should just be brief, because this is PowerPoint. So introduction, basically I'll talk about the definition of computer. And computer in simple ways is an electronic device it's an electronic device that inputs data it should be brief, it shouldn't be boring, so that's why I'm choosing to just break the definition into just lists. So that's the introduction, and the outline shows that the next slide will be about the types and basically the list. Like I'm going to just outline, I'm going to add a new slide for types. So yeah, this is my fourth this is slide 1, outline, introduction. Okay, this should be here, and this is the slide for the types. Yeah, so the types of computers here, just going to outline them. PCs or personal computers, personal computer, yeah, or PCs. Then we have servers. Then we have supercomputers. We have embedded systems. We have quantum computers. Yeah, so my next slide will be about characteristics. So I'm going to talk about the characteristics of these computers in the next slide. Yeah. So the first one will be computers are fast. They are fast. They are accurate. They're automated or they're automatic. And then have a greater storage capacity. Greater storage capacity. I've mentioned being fast. They are versatile, or what we call versatility. Versatile. Computers are diligent or diligency. is 6. So being diligent, to have portability or being portable. Computers are portable. When computers are enough, or maybe they're cost efficient, intelligent, even intelligence, because these computers actually use artificial intelligence, so they're intelligent. These computers are intelligent. Yeah, so that's all for the characteristics. Then my next slide will be about the disadvantages. Open a new slide. Disadvantages. First of all, they're expensive because not everyone is capable of affording it. Because eye strain. Pain. Headache. They promote laziness. Immorality. Yeah, so that's all for the disadvantages, and let me check for the next slide. Oh, the next slide should have a conclusion. Sorry. The last slide should be about the conclusion, and I've included it here. So let me add a new slide for the conclusion. Conclusion about computers. So you can conclude by saying maybe computers have computers, they have both merits and demerits. Depending how they have been used. Yes, that's a definition. That's the conclusion for this work. They have both advantages and disadvantages depending on how they are being used. So I'm trying to show you how to make a good PowerPoint presentation, and basically this is a brief example that I've used about computers. So how are you going to make a good PowerPoint presentation? You can't leave a template like this. You have to make changes, you have to make designs, you have to make it look beautiful. So the first thing, let me begin with the design view. or the design. So when you're choosing a design when you're choosing a design to use, there are very many here. If I keep moving my cursor to each and every one, you'll see the changes that will happen to my work. You've seen that. There is that. So these are some of the themes. Here are some of the themes that you can use, but then you can still go to your slide master and make all this at once. You go to slide master, you choose the themes, they're here. The reason as to why I'm using a slide master is to basically add all these themes, to add a theme to all the slides at once. So I have my themes here. I have this one. So when I choose this one, it will automatically be applied to all the slides. Then background style, there is this one. You can see that the slide master is on. The colors, of course, some of them are optional. In fact, all of them are optional. So that's the theme. I'm going to close it. So I hope you can see the theme has been applied to all the slides. So it's applied to each slide. So I can continue for other editing features. So I go back to my slide master, then I choose what is my slide master? It's open. All about the first slide. Then I choose a transition to use. There are very many transitions, but you must be careful when choosing. Some are funny. For example, this one, airplane. It's a funny transition. So I prefer this one, push. And once you apply it, to be applied to every slide, I go back to my slide master, I close it. And then these are the animations, they're okay, but still you have to choose animations that don't look awkward. We have bouncing, bounce, we have fade, but I choose to have none. So that's it for the design. Go back and save. So that's how your work will go, that's how your work will look, and you can see that there's nothing that is left out. So that's how we arrange our presentation work. And once again, I'm called Frank to see me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.